I asked one lady to use onion to drive away bad spirit in her room. She was complaining to me that whenever she sleeps, she always have bad dreams. Sometimes she even feel like her room is looks very heavy, like she feel goosebumps on her skin whenever she enters the room. It seems like there's another spirit in the room. Yeah, that's how she's saying that she normally feels. Even in the house where she stays, most of the people in the compound house doesn't have, like, they don't talk to her. Yeah, they don't. Always there's a disagreement and fight and conflict and all that. So I asked her to use onion to see who is behind all these things. So this is what she did. I asked her to get a lot of the onion skin. If you get the onion just like this, you see that there's a skin around it. Yeah, this skin, the onion skin just like it, and ask her to get plenty. When you get it plenty, then burn it in your room at night. When you do that, no spirit can enter your room. So this is what the lady did. She burned the onion skin. I asked her to burn it for 7 days, but she even couldn't burn it for 7. She did it for just 3 days, and within the 3 days, the landlord sacked her from the house. Yeah, the landlord sacked her from the house because when he started burning the onion skin, a lot of people started complaining about her to the landlord that this is what the lady is doing, this is what not knowing she's not doing any bad thing, because the onion skin that she has been burning is it brings out a certain scent aroma which a lot of witches they hate, so they cannot breathe. So they begin to gossip about the lady so that they will sack her from the house. So they sack her from the house. So if you are someone that you feel like there's a bad spirit in your room, you feel like your room sometimes feel heavy and you think it's a bad spirit, yeah, that's what you can do. Let me tell you something about onion. You see, the reason why the reason why witches cannot enter kitchen is because there's onion over there, there's garlic over there, and also there's pepper and charcoal over there. So in the olden days, our mothers, when they finish preparing the soup after eating, the remaining one, they will put charcoal into it. If you don't know this one, go and ask your mother or your grandmother. They will put charcoal in the soup. It has a secret. Yeah, it has a secret. So because of charcoal, pepper, garlic, and onion in the kitchen, a lot of witches can't enter your kitchen. So that's how powerful it is. So if you use onion, you burn the onion skin, just away. So if you are about to pray and you don't have money, you are in your room, you want to pray for some few minutes, and you don't have money to buy what do you call it, incense, to clarify the atmosphere before you pray, you can get the onion skin, burn it. It clarifies the atmosphere so that no negative energy can block your prayer. So that's how powerful it is. Another point is that our forefathers, our grandparents, in the olden days, when they want to travel and they want to know that the journey where they are going, will it favor them? Will there be an accident? Will there be something bad on their way? So this is what they do. Even most of the pastors, they normally do it. This is something to reveal a secret to you. So if we're to be like you are in a relationship with someone and you want to know what is going on, whether the person is cheating on you or not, you can try this direction. And I'm telling you the fact that it's going to help you to reveal some secret things to you. So most of the pastors, they do this direction. When they do it, the day that they will go to church, everything will be revealed to them. So this is how we do it. It gives prophetic dreams. So you get one onion just like this, put it in a white handkerchief. Pray, say your intentions on it. Maybe you are a pastor. Tomorrow you will go to church, do your church service. So this is what you're going to do. Put the onion into a white handkerchief. Say over it that I want to see whatever will happen tomorrow service. Who are those? What is going on in the life of those people who will come to the church tomorrow? I want to see. Say whatever you want to say. Tie it, put it under your handkerchief. When you tie it and put it under your handkerchief, you will dream and see yourself at church, giving a prophecy to some people, as the people also are confirming to you that what you are saying is true. So this is how to detect. So even our forefathers, when they put the onion into the white handkerchief and then they put it under their bed, It will reveal to them that the journey that they are going, they will be in an accident. They will see in their dream that they've had an accident. So it will help them in a way whether to go or not to go. So onion skin, so when you mention your partner's name on it and you say whatever you have to say, put it in a handkerchief and put it under your pillow, it's going to reveal to you the person that your partner is cheating with. It's going to reveal to you. So onion skin also give prophetic dreams. Another point is that you feel like your room is occupied with negative energies, because a lot of people come into our room, come to pay us a visit. They carry a lot of negative energy. There's a lot of spirit following them. Yeah. So if you don't think someone can visit you and leave his or her negative energy in your room, or bad energy or bad spirit in your room and leave. So this is how they are going to do to detect whether there's a bad spirit in your room or not. Whether it's a good spirit or bad spirit, this onion is going to help you to reveal it to you that there's a spirit in your room. Please, most of you are not subscribing to this channel. If today is your first time to watch this video, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel, because over here we talk nothing but the truth. We reveal secret things to you. So this is what you are going to do. So please go and tap on the subscribing button, so that any video that will drop over here, you can get the video and watch, so that you can learn more. So this is what you are going to do. Cut the onion into two. When you cut the onion into two, half here, then you place it in your, I'm telling you the fact that it's not now that you are going to pray over it, or you are going to do fasting over it. No. Cut it into two, then place it at the corner of your new. You can decide to use 2 onions. So you cut into two, you get when you cut into two, one of the onion, you get 2 in it. Then you place one at the 2 corners. The other ones you cut into 2, you place it also at the 2 corners of your room. So after 3 days, go and check. You realize that the surface of the onion looks very dark, black. Yeah, when you see it that way, then it means that there's a bad spirit, or there's a spirit in your room. You are living with a spirit in your room. If you didn't see any dark surface, it means that you are okay. There's no spirit in your room. So this is how they use our forefathers they used to detect, to know that there's a bad spirit in their room. So let's go about onion with love spell. Onion for love spell. This is what you're going to do. Get the parchment paper. When you get the parchment paper, the person that you love only, you will not write your name also. The person that you love, write the person's name on a parchment paper. You can use Dove blood ink to write the person's name on a paper, on the parchment paper. When you write it, then fold the paper towards you. When you fold the paper towards you, cut the onion into 2. When you cut the onion into 2, okay, make sure that when you cut it, it doesn't divide separately. Just cut it into 2. Yeah, so when you cut it, then you fold the paper, you put it inside, then you use a needle to inject it. When you use a needle to inject, so that it can hold it. Yeah, so after doing this, you are going to get time in the night, then sit down, put the onion before you, and speak to the onion like you are talking to that partner of yours. Like maybe the person is called Cynthia. Just say, Cynthia, you know I love you. I want you to come back into my life. You know we have kids. You know how much I love you. Even heaven and earth are my witness that I really love you. Whatever is going on between me and you, I don't want you to end it. I really love you. Wherever you are, I want you to come back. Get time and be talking to the onion like you are talking to your partner. So after speaking, say whatever you have to say. Then after speaking, pick up the onion. You are going to bury the onion. When you bury the onion, it's either, if you have any spiritual perfume like this one, or if you didn't get any spiritual perfume, you can use palm oil. When you bury it at the back of your yard, then you use palm oil to pour a libation on. This is how to seal it. Whatever you say, you are sealing it. Yeah, to pour a libation, saying whatever you have to say. Maybe be pouring the oil on the onion where you bury the onion, to seal whatever you have to say, and then wait for some few minutes. The person will begin to call you. The person will come back. This is how to command someone to come back. Another point that I wanted to learn is that some of you have been going to churches praying, you call fire onto your enemies, You pray, you call tender unto your enemies, riches that are tormenting your life, but still things are not working out for you. Let me tell you, every door in this life has a key to it. So if you don't know the key, you'll be beating around the bush while there's a entrance over here. But because you don't have the key, you cannot open the gate. So that's how it is. So if you don't know the secret how to deal with demonic spirit, my sister, my brother, you'll be beating around the bush, wasting much of your time. So you need 50 needles. 50 needles. I think I have a needle. Yeah, the big ones. Yeah, when you get 50 needles, then you get one onion just like it. When you get it at midnight, sit down on the floor, take the onion, and then begin to say your word that any spiritual forces blocking my marriage, disconnecting me from my helper, any person or any bad spirit which is blocking my success so that I will never get money in my life, I inject you. Then you use the needle to inject the onion. You pick another needle, then you say, anybody who is blocking my success, or anybody who is blocking my star, or anybody who's stopping me from my enemy or from my destiny helper to locate me, you, this negative energy, I inject you. Then you use the needle to inject the onion. So you'll be doing this till the time that you manage to push the 50 needles into the onion. Yeah, around it into the onion. So when you are done, you are going to place it at the window. You see, one secret about spirituality is that most of the spirit, when they come into the room, they don't pass through the gate, they pass through the window. So I remember there's a scripture according to the book of Isaiah. The Bible said that for death has passed through our window into our building just to kill people around. Yeah, I remember that scripture. So spirits normally pass through the window into our home. So you place it at the window for some few days, like let me say for 7 days or 3 days, or like you can put it over there for 7 days, specifically for 7 days. After 7 days, go and take it and go and bury it. When you bury it, after some few time, you begin to see that some people begin to have an issue with you. Like someone will be saying that you are a witch. Some people begin to say like you have issue with me. Not knowing you don't have issue with anyone. It's because of the onion direction that you did. Yeah, this is how powerful it is. So you can try this. Another point that I want to review to you is that, let me say you are someone that you want to start a business. The business that you want to start, maybe you want to know the kind of business that will favor you. So you have choose like you want to do farming, and you also think like you want to maybe you want to sell clothes. So this is how you are going to do to know the kind of job that will fit you, so that at the end of the day you don't waste money. So this is what you're going to do. Divide the onion into two. When you divide the onion into two, then the kind of job that you want to do, write the job on a paper. So you get your paper just like this. You get your paper just like this. So if it's a farming, you write farming on the paper just like this. Then you have divided the onion into two. So you place it on top of the half onion. Then you use a needle to inject it. Put that one aside. That one is different. Then another one is the half of the onion. You write selling of clothes. So it's two jobs that you want to do. So you want to know the one that will favor you so that you doesn't waste money. So if it's a 4 jobs that have come up in your mind, you can use 2 onions. So you divide it into 2, you get four halves. Yeah. So the other half that you get, you write the other job that you feel like it will help you, but you don't know whether it will go well or not. You write the job name on the paper, then you place it on the half of the onion, then you use the the needle to inject it. So this one, you are going to place it under your bed, a very quiet, cool place in the dark. So after 7 days, go and remove it and check. You will see that one of the onion has germinated. So the one that you find out that the onion has germinated, that's the kind of job that will suit you. So you have to do that one. But the one that it didn't germinate, it means that that well will not favor you. But if likely both of the onions germinate together, it means that both of these two jobs can favor you. You can try any of them. Yeah, so that's how it is. Let me tell you another secret about the onion. Get one needle, one big needle. When you get one big needle, you can render. I don't know whether I'll teach about spiritual mystical uses of rusted nails. I don't know if I've thought about that one over here. So you get rusted nails, just the full onion, just like this. Say your intentions. Maybe someone is monitoring your life, like there's a monitoring spirit on your life. So anything that you do, things are not working out for you. Yeah. Say whatever you have to say, or maybe there's a witchcraft tormenting your life. Say whatever you have to say. Then use the needle to inject the onion, inject it through it till it appears over here. Then put it at the corner or at the window for some days. You see how powerful it is. Let's move on. I don't want to waste much of your time. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Let me remember you. If you are someone that you are experiencing genital warts, or any skin rashes, or any whether it's a pile, or any kind of sickness that you are going through. It's not like we are dealing with spirituality over here. No, we have medicine for different kind of sickness. Yeah. So genital warts, if you are having genital warts, just send me a message. Wherever you are, we'll send you the product so that you can also be free. Yeah. So you get your onion. Another thing that you can use the onion for is to help to it helps in healing. To maybe someone is sick, it helps in a way that it will ensure that when a person takes the medicine, the person will be healed quickly. Yeah, so this is what you're going to do. Get the onion, cut into two. You can get like 5, 4, 6. When you get it, cut them into two. Place it around the person, the sick person. Why? Because the onion has some energy, has some spiritual benefit, has some powerful energy in it that it attracts negative energy. That is the reason why I told you that when you cut it and you place it at the corners of your room, it's going to help you in a way to detect whether there's a bad spirit in your room. So it attracts negative energy. Yeah. So when you cut it into two, half, you place it around the sick person. Yeah. So when you place it around the sick person, the kind of sickness that the person is going through is going to absorb the sickness from the person's system. Gradually, yeah, it's going to absorb the sickness from, so that whenever the person takes any medicine, there will be healing quickly. Healing will come quickly. So that's how another powerful thing. So if you have ever tried onion direction, or maybe you know something deep about the onion, please let me know in the comment section, and let's share ideas together. Please subscribe to this channel. If you need my number is +233 559 765639, +233 559 765639. You can call me any moment so that we discuss about your problem that you are going through. Yeah, until book also is there. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I love you so much. See you next time.